weather. We haven't seen her for a while, but here she is. Have you got good news for us, Bea?
I mean, it depends what you like, really. If you wanted cold and frosty, then I'm afraid no. But if you wanted temperatures to creep up, which I always like a bit more mild weather, we've got that on its way for this week. Now, we have got a bit of a change. We've had a lot of cloud across the southwest. The sunshine has been desperately trying to break through, but for most of us, we've had fairly grey skies, and the cloud has been thick enough to give some rain and drizzle as well. A fairly similar day tomorrow. We stay under a thick blanket of cloud. I think the cloud will actually be thicker tomorrow, so it will give some spells of more persistent rain, particularly through central parts of the southwest. That rain could turn heavy for a time. For all of us across the southwest, though, another mild day and another breezy one as well. You can see the isobars tightening over the next few hours. We are south of these weather fronts and we remain west of them over the coming days. That's in the milder air. So temperatures on the whole should come up into double figures over the next few days, but it will remain rather cloudy with outbreaks of rain and drizzle. And we've got some rain out there through tonight. The cloud is quite solid. The winds will start to pick up through the evening as well, and that will stop the cloud from getting too low, but it is going to turn rather murky. Some of the rain could be heavy at times, but for most it's damp and it's drizzly, and it is very mild for the time of year. Overnight tonight, temperatures for many only falling a couple of degrees below what we've got out there at the moment. So it is going to start off windy tomorrow, those winds coming in from the west. And then we've got this band of rain. It is going to be quite fragmented, but it could give some heavy bursts at times, particularly for parts of East Cornwall, Devon and West Somerset. The winds will gradually ease as we head through the afternoon. It is still going to be a breezy one out there tomorrow, and temperatures perhaps a degree or so higher than what we've got today at around 11 degrees. Now, I think for the Isles of Scilly will remain dry tomorrow. The bulk of the weather fronts out towards the east, but an awful lot of cloud here and the strongest of the winds here too. We could see gusts of 30 to 40 miles an hour. Temperatures, though, 11 or 12 degrees. Here are your times of high water. Then we've got 16:52 at Padstow and 17:14 at Plymouth. For our inshore waters then, we've got those winds quite strong to begin with. Westerly around 6 degrees to start, becoming southwesterly 4 to 6. There will be the risk of some rain and drizzle at times, particularly as we head through the later part of the day, and that will bring the visibility down to poor at times. So last week we had frost, we had ice, and temperatures really struggled. This week it's a different story, and you can see over the coming days those temperatures are very mild for the time of year. Tomorrow, I think you can expect a lot of cloud with outbreaks of rain, and that rain will be heaviest through the afternoon. The wind's strong and gusty, but gradually easing through the day. Wednesday at the moment looks mainly dry the further west you are. Further east, there's the risk of a bit of rain later on in the day. The wind's slowly easing here too, and all the while temperatures at around 11 or 12 degrees. Thursday, we'll see some rain at times and staying mild. A slight drop in the temperatures through Friday, but Friday actually one of the better days of the week when we should see some decent spells of sunshine. Windy with some rain at times for the weekend. Back to you, Nat.